Consider this problem. Given is x of k, where x of k equal to 6 minus 2 plus 2j minus 2 minus 2 minus 2j. We need to find x of n using DIF algorithm. Okay, we know that the first step we need to find is, if x of k is given, we need to find x conjugate of k. So here the first step what we have find out is x conjugate of a. So taking complex conjugate for this. Next we need to find f of t for this x conjugate of k. Okay, now I am going to find out the f of t using DIF algorithm. Here in n is equal to 4, so you have two number of stages in DIF algorithm. The input is in the normal order, the output is in the bit reversal order. So I am feeding the input in the normal order. So you know how to draw the structure for this DIF FFT. So this is the structure. So here input is given in the normal order and the Twiddle factor is given. So computation of these flow graph yields here 4 minus 4, 8 and minus 4. Similarly, the next stage of computation, we need to combine two inputs, since it is a two input computation. So here the output of this stage is fed into the input to this stage. Now after performing the flow graph computation, you are getting the answer. This is in the bit reversal order. That is, this is first is x of 0, this is x of 2, and this is x of 1, and this is x of 3. Okay, so what we have find out is, we have find out the step. Next we need to take again the conjugate. Here there is no real value, so there is no conjugate in this. So there is no meaning in taking conjugate in this. So what we have obtained is x conjugate of n. So this is the step we have obtained. Now I need to obtain x of n. In order to obtain x of n, what I need is, I need to perform again conjugate, and I need to divide by 1 by n. So this step I am going to perform here. Here there is no conjugate, there is no conjugate value, so just there is no meaning of performing complex conjugate for this value. Just I am doing 1 by 4. So this yields 0, 1, 2, 3. This problem we have already discussed in DFT computation. So 0, 1, 2, 3, the answer is 6 minus 2 plus 2j minus 2 and minus 2 minus 2j. In the same manner, we need to find out the inverse DFT. The next problem is the same. Here we need to find inverse DFT x of n for the given x of k. Already we have solved this problem. Just a direct computation for having different values for x of n.